Hello everyone, welcome back to SQL Edge, your channel to learn SQL Server from scratch. In today's video, we will learn about one of the most important parts of the SQL, right? SQL WHERE clause and the different operators we can use to filter out the data from the table. We will cover today the comparison operators like comparison operator, logical operators, range pattern, and the in clause to filter out the data. This will be the part one of this video, like where and the operators to be used in the where clause. In the second part, we will see the null operators and like operators to understand how those can be used to filter out the data, right? So to understand it, we are going to have a demo session. We will be creating a demo table and we will see how the different operators can be used to filter out the data. First, understand what is mean by where clause. The where clause is used to filter the records. Now, what is mean by filter? You might have been seen while using the Excel file, you can apply the filters on a particular column, right? Let's say you have the table and to see the filtered data, you might have been applied the filters on a particular column so that you will hide the unwanted data and you will see only the required data out. So similar to that, we can select, update or delete the required data only using the SQL WHERE clause. Right, so we have this employee table. I have the script ready. I will attach the script in the description of the video session. You can go to the link and download from the Google Drive. Right, so we have an employee table with the details like employee name, department, salary, city, join date, and like yeah, these are the department column we have here. Right, so we'll be going to use this table and I am inserting some demo records here. So 7 rows are affected. Let's see the data from the table first. So to see the data, we use the detail command. DQL command, select star from table name. Table name is employee. So I'm going to use this and we could see this is the data out here. Okay, so where clause can be used to filter the data. Now filtering can be done on any of the column, like if we can filter the data based on employee ID, we can filter based on the name, we can based on the department, salary, city, and join date. Right, let's say you have a huge table about a millions of record and you want to see the employees under the HR department. So you can filter based on that and you will able to see only the required data. Same way you can filter based on the salary, city, and join date. So any column within the table we can use in the where clause to filter the data. Right, so the where clause filters the record based on one or more conditions. So this is the basic syntax we'll be having for the where clause. Select star from, and in the where clause we will be having the condition to filter the data. So in the condition we can use the column name along with the different operators. So that operators we are going to see now. Right, so here are the list of comparison. The first operator list is a comparison operator. So comparison operators help us to compare column value with the constants or the other expressions. Like, so we can use in the where clause like id is equal to 10, salary is equal to 10,000, like this. Not just equal to, we are having a list of comparison operators and I have listed those out here, the meaning of each of the operator with some example. Let's say I want to see the use of equal to. So this equal to sign we use to write the comparison based on the comparing the value to see the with the constant value. Let's say I want to filter where department is equal to IT. I can use equal to operator. Then not equal to, we can either use like this or we can use like exclamation mark and the equal to sign. The meaning of this is not equal to. Let's say I want to see the data where city is not equal to Chicago. So I can use the where condition like this. Right, this is a greater than, equal to. We know these are the mathematical operators we'll be having. We have been used in our like primary schools and all. So this is greater than, less than. We can use like where salary is greater than 50,000, where salary is less than 60,000. This is greater than or equal to. We can use this like this. We in the like shown in this example, where salary is greater than or equal to 60,000, where salary is less than or equal to 50,000. Okay, so from this employees table only, I have listed out some examples below. Let's say I want to see the employees in an IT department. So what I will write, select star from employees. So this select star from, star is nothing but all. So select star is meaning that we want to see all the columns from the employee table, but the rows should be limited to the only department is equal to IT. So here I'm going to filter the data, select all data, all columns from the employees table, but number of rows will be limited by this where condition. Currently, if you see, we have 7 records, but with this where clause where department is equal to IT, I should be able to see only the rows for employees who are working in IT department. So results should show only the 3 rows in my results. Let's select this row and execute, and we will see we are able to see only the employees who are working in IT department, right? Instead of all, we can write any number of columns. Let's say I don't want all the columns. I want to see only the employee ID and employee name for the employees who are working in IT department. So I can select only 2 columns as well, which will give me the information about the employees who are working in IT departments. So this is what we can use the equal to operator. Same way we can use not equal to as well. If I want to see all the records from the employee table where city is not equal to Chicago, so I can use this, and if I run this, I will get the records where city is not equal to Chicago, right? So like this, we can use equal to, not equal to. Let's say I want to use the greater than operator. So if I want to see the employees whose salary is greater than 50,000 or 60,000, so I can filter with where salary is equal to 60,000, and I will get the data only for those employees whose salary is more than 60,000. So like this, we can use greater than equal to, less than equal to, less than, greater than, not equal to, equal to. These are all, we call those as a comparison operators, right? I hope you got it. Next we have is a logical operator. So in logical operator, we can use more than one conditions, right? We have seen in a comparison operators, we will be comparing the column value with the constant, right? So like city, whatever the column value will be having in the city, that we will be comparing with the constant value, right? In logical operator, there are 3 types of logical operator: and, or not. And means all the conditions must be true, or means any condition can be true, and not means it reverses the result of a condition. So it will simply reverse the result of a condition, right? The first thing is, in the logical operator, we should have more than one condition. Like here, only one condition is there where city is not equal to Chicago. Let's say I want to add one more condition where salary is equal to 60,000. I want to see the employees who are not in Chicago and whose salary is more than 60,000. So basically, I'm having 2 conditions to check my data, right? So in that case, we can use the logical operators in the where clause. Logical operators are used to combine multiple conditions together, right? If you have more than one condition, we can use the logical operators. There are 3 types: and, or, and not. So and means the whatever the multiple conditions will be having, that all conditions must be true, right? That all conditions must be satisfied. Then or, we are having any one condition from the list of the conditions can be true, and not will reverses the result of a condition, right? So let's say I want to see the employees who are working in IT and whose salary is greater than 60,000. So I can use select star from employees where department is equal to IT and salary is greater than 60,000. I'm using and here because I want to see the employees whose salary is greater than 60,000, and those employees should be working in IT department. So in this case, my both the conditions should be true. That is what it is saying, all the conditions must be true. So we are using and here to combine the 2 conditions. Okay, so it will give me the result where the employees are in IT and whose salary is more than 60,000, right? Then if I want to see the employees who are either in HR department or finance department, I can use or condition. What my requirement is, I want to see the employees who are in either HR department or finance department. So here any one condition is true, we will get the result here. Select star from employees where department is equal to HR or department is equal to finance. Keep in mind, we cannot write the or clause like this. right? Department is equal to HR or finance. No, we have to write the two conditions separately. Department is equal to HR or department is equal to finance. Then only we will be able to get the correct result here, right? We'll be getting the result here. Then if I want to see the not example for the not, let's say I want to see the employees who are working in IT department. I will use equal to operator. Here I can use not equal to as well, but if I want to see the same result with using not operator, so I can say like not department is equal to IT. So it will also give me the result where department is not equal to IT. All right. So we can use this logical operators and or and the not. Next one we are having is a range operator. In the range operator, we can provide a range of the values to compare with the column value, right? So in range operator, between is the only clause we will be having. It a simple way to check if a value lies between the two limits, right? So we'll be checking with the help of between clause if the value is lying between the two limits of the data, right? So we use the between clause. Here is the example. If I want to see the employees with salary between 40,000, 45,000 and 70,000, I can use select star from employees where salary is the column name, between 45,000 and 70,000 are the values, right? So this is the range I am providing from the salary. For the salary, all the employees within this range will be extracted in our result sheet, right? So 45,000 and 70,000 will be excluding values, like including, sorry, it is including the values. So if any employee is there in with 45,000 salary, that will be included in our result set. If any employee is there with a salary as a 70,000, that also will be included in our result set, right? So we'll get the result. We can use the joining date as well. If let's say I want to see the employees who are joined from 1/1/2020 to 31st of December 2022, so I can filter using joining date as well. Then last for the today's video we are having is a list operator. So in is a list operator. What it will give, in is a useful, this in operator is a useful when you want to match against multiple possible values. Let's say we want to see the employees who are working in New York, Dallas or any Chicago. So we can provide all the values within parentheses using the in clause. We select star from employees where city in New York, Dallas or any other value like Chicago, Washington, anything, right? If I want to see the employees who are working in a selected departments like IT, finance, HR, I can use all the possible values to be matched with the column in the parenthesis, right? So these are some operators we can use in the where clause. Apart from this, there are multiple operators we'll be having like null operators, then like operators. So those we will cover in the part 2 of this where clause with operators video series, right? So today we have learned what where clause is, what is the comparison operator, logical operator, range and list pattern, list operator, how to use the multiple conditions with the help of a logical operators, right? Practice this often. They are the foundation of writing wonderful queries, right? So we need to do the practice more on this comparison operator, right? Not just in select statement. If you just convert this select star from to the delete, it will delete the employees where city in New York or Dallas. So not just a select, we can use this where clause with update or delete as well, right? So that's all for the today's video. We will meet for the part 2 of this where with operator in the coming video, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the SQL Edge for more SQL tutorial. I will see you in the next video. Thank you all.